Starting solid foods for your baby is an exciting and important milestone. At around 6 months, most babies are ready to try simple, soft, and easy to digest foods. Here are some instant and healthy food recipes perfect for a 6-month-old baby. Banana is one of the easiest first foods for babies. Take a ripe banana and peel it. Cut it into small pieces and add them to a blender. Next, add some milk to create a smooth puree that is gentle on a baby's tummy and easy to digest. It is naturally sweet and full of energy, making it a perfect choice for your baby. You can also give rice cereal to your baby. First, gently rinse the rice with water. Then add filtered water and let the rice soak for 1 hour. Next, drain the water and spread the rice onto a tray lined with a paper towel. Place the tray in a well-ventilated area and let it air dry for 1 day. Once the rice is completely dry, place it into a blender and blend until it becomes a fine powder. Stir it a little and blend again if needed to get a smooth texture. Then sift the powder slightly to remove any coarse pieces. You can use this rice powder for the first 1 to 2 weeks of starting solid foods. Store it in a clean jar or a Ziploc bag. To prepare, add 1 tablespoon of rice powder to a small pot. Add about 20 times more water and mix well before heating. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Once it thickens to a smooth consistency, let it cool slightly and then feed it to your baby. Apples are also rich in vitamins and nutrients that are beneficial for your baby. First, peel off the apple. Then chop it into small chunks or slices. Add the pieces to a pot and pour in 1 cup of water. Let it steam or boil until the apple becomes soft and tender. Once cooked, mash it well with a fork or blend it into a smooth puree. Make sure the puree is soft and lump-free before feeding it to your baby. You can also feed oatmeal cereal to your baby. Take 1 cup of oats and cook them on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Then let them cool and transfer the oats into a jar. Blend them into a fine powder. You can store this powder in an airtight container for up to 1 week. To prepare, add 1 cup of water to a small pot and mix in 3 tablespoons of oatmeal powder. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. You can add a little milk or formula milk to make it smoother and creamier. This nutritious recipe helps support your baby's healthy growth and development. By using these simple recipes, you can provide healthy, nutritious, and easy to digest meals for your baby.